Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be reviewing the naming of alkanes, which are molecules that contain carbon-carbon single bonds. The carbon-carbon bonds found in organic molecules can come in three types: single bond, double bond, or triple bond. A carbon chain with single bonds in it is referred to as an alkane. A carbon chain with a double bond in it is referred to as an alkene. And lastly, a carbon chain with a triple bond in it is referred to as an alkyne. In order to name alkanes, we must first identify the principal chain of a molecule. The principal chain is the part of the molecule that contains the most carbons without deviation into another chain. So here are a set of molecules. Can you identify the principal chain with the stated information? These are the principal chains in the molecule because they are the longest chains that do not deviate into another chain. This cannot be the principal chain because this chain only contains 5 carbons, and we know that the longest chain contains 6. This also couldn't be the principal chain either for the same reason. The number of carbons in the principal chain of a molecule determines the name of the molecule. Molecules of numbers of carbons 1 through 10 will follow this order listed below. So molecules with 1 carbon will have the name of methane, 2 carbons, ethane, 3 carbons, propane, and so on. If there are substituents or groups coming off of the longest chain, then those will get a name as well and will go in front of the molecule. The substituents must be ordered alphabetically when naming the molecule. Substituents will follow the same naming pattern as described above, but instead of it ending in "ane", it will end in "yl". So a substituent with 1 carbon is methyl, 2 carbons is ethyl, 3 carbons is propyl, and so on. So when naming alkanes, here are some key points to keep in mind. First, find the longest chain of carbons. That is the principal chain. Second, number your principal chain. You want to number from the end that will give the substituents as low a number as possible. Third, identify and name the substituent. You name the substituent using the naming described above. Fourth, number the substituents and put them in alphabetical order. If there are multiple of the same kind of substituents, then use prefixes like di, tri, tetra, and disregard those when placing them in alphabetical order. Also, use commas to separate numbers and dashes to separate numbers and words. So for the molecule we have in the previous example when numbering the principal chain, its name would be 3-ethyl 2-methylhexane. The numbers 3 and 2 represent the position of the substituents. Ethyl is the name of the 2nd carbon substituent. Methyl is the name of the 3 carbon substituent. Here are common specific names for these substituents, and these just have to be memorized. So that's the end of naming. The next video will be all about practice for naming alkanes and applying this method. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these videos and find them helpful, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.